Good morning students. Today we will learn conversion. Okay. Same chapter, fraction and decimal. Today I have taken one topic. Convert as directed using decimal. 17 paisa into rupees. You will convert this paisa into rupees. Here rupees and paisa both are given. Combined we will convert it into rupees. Here centimeter into meter. You will convert centimeter into meter. And here meter into kilometer. Okay. For this conversion we have to learn all the units. Already you have learned in your previous classes, 4th class, 5th class, 6th class. Okay. Now how to convert? I will explain you the process. 17 paisa into rupees. So first of all you must know in 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. This is symbol of rupee and for paisa I have written P. So how much rupees will be there in 17 paisa. So remember, to convert paisa into rupees, always divide by 100, and to convert rupees into paisa, always multiply by 100. Remember these two things. So what we will do here, 17 paisa is equal to 17 divided by 100. To convert into rupees, we will divide by 100. So finally what you will get? 2 zeros are there. Learn this process also. 2 zeros. From right hand side count 2 values. 1, 2, then mark decimal. First value, second value, then decimal. This is your rupees. You have converted your 17 paisa into rupees. This is your answer. Okay, same way. 7 rupees, 7 paisa into rupees. This is already rupees. You cannot convert rupees into rupees. This is already rupees. So rupees 7 plus this is 7 paisa. So I will write here 7 divided by 100. Why I have written 100 divided by 100? I have converted this paisa into rupees. To convert paisa into rupees, divide by 100. So I have written 7 upon 100 rupees. Okay. So 7 plus 2 zeros are there. So after 2 values from right hand side I will mark point. So 7 plus 0.07. When you add this you will get 7.07 rupees. This is your solution. Okay. 5 centimeter into meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Again same thing. To convert centimeter into meter, divide it by 100, and to convert meter into centimeter, multiply it by 100. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 100 meter. So 2 zeros. So after 2 values from right hand side I will mark point. 0.05 meter. This is my solution. I have converted this into meter. Again 500 meter into kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 500 meter, again same thing. To convert it into kilometer, divide by 100, and to convert kilometer into meter, multiply by 100. So here we will do divide. So 500 divided by 1000. I will cut this 20 to 20. Only 10 is remaining. So from right hand side count one value and put 1 point. So 0.5 kilometer is your answer. Okay. Now second is find multiplication. Okay, very easy multiplication. You can multiply it directly also. 0.2 multiply by 6. Two methods are there. First 0.2. After point only single value. So in denominator I will write 10. If you will get 2 values you will write 100. If you will get 3 values you will write 1000. So 0.2 can also be written. This is decimal and this is fraction. Multiply by 6. So what you will get? 6 to the 12 upon 10. Just now we have learned 1 zeros. From right hand side count 1 value and put 1 point. So 1.2 is your answer. or you can multiply it directly. How? 0.2 multiply by 6. 6 to the 12, 2, carry 1, 6 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. So after decimal, how many values are there? 1. So from right hand side, count one value and put 1 point. You can multiply directly also. You can use this method also. Here I will multiply directly. 4 ones are 4, then decimal is there. 4 zeros are 0 and 4 twos are 8. So 8.4 is your answer. And whenever you multiply any value by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, you can write direct solution. No need to do long multiplication method. Okay. So multiply by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So your point will shift 2 values to the right hand side. How? 3, 1. This point first will come here. And again shift here. So value is not there, so you will put 0. So 3, 1, 1, 0. Same way here. 3 zeros are there, so your point will shift 3 values. Okay, 1, 2, and third value you can mark 0. So your value will be 3, 0. You can write 0, 3, 0.00. This value can be written as 30. This is your answer. Okay, this is multiplication. Now I will explain you long multiplication. Fifth part. Okay, now fifth question. 3.15 multiply by 2.5. Multiplication already you have learned. So first multiply. First I will direct multiply ignoring the decimals. 5 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 is 5 plus 2. 7 and 5 3 is 15. Now I will multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 and 2 3s are 6. First multiply this, now add it. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Now check after decimal how many values are there in total. So after decimal here 2 values and after decimal here 1 value. So total 1, 2 and 3 values. So from right hand side count 3 values. 1, 2, 3 and mark here decimal. So 7.875 is your answer. Okay. One more question I will explain. 28.5 multiply by 1.07. I will take point here. 0.107. Okay. So 28.5 multiply by 0.107. First multiply. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3 58. Carry 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19. Okay, now 0. Whenever you multiply any value by 0, you will get 0 only. Now 1. 1 5 is 5, 1 8 is 8, and 1 2 is 2. Now add this. 5, 8, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So now count how many values are there after point. After point 1 value and after point 3. So total 4 values. After point 1 value and here after point 3 values. So total 4 values. So from right hand side count 4 value and mark 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4 and mark here point. So 3.0485 is your answer. Same way you can do divide also. Okay. I am taking one question. 3.75 divide by 100. I will take same number. 3.75 divide by 100. Here 10, here 100, and here I will take 1000. 3.75 divide by 1000. Okay. So what we have to remember in this question? In multiplication, we are shifting our point decimal to the left hand side. But in division, while multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like, we will shift to the left hand side. So how many zeros are there? 1. So your point will shift one value to the left side. So your answer will be 0.375. This type of question you can do directly. You can write direct solution. Two zeros are there. So your point will shift two values. So here you have only one value. Second value you can put 0 by yourself. So your answer will be 0.0375. If you will not put this 0, your answer will be wrong. You can check your answers. When you multiply by 10, what you are getting? When you multiply it by 100, what you get? And when you multiply it by 1000. So three zeros are there. So your point will shift three values. So 1, 2nd and 3rd. This is your answer. So you can check the difference. When you multiply by 10, multiply by 100 and multiply by 1000. I have shifted this point three values. 1, 2 and 3. This is your point. This is your answer. Okay? Okay students. Now two more questions I will explain. 4.85 divided by 0.5 and 1.05 divided by 2.1. See here you are not dividing by 10, 100 or thousands. How you will solve this? 4.85. When you remove this point, so what you will get? When you remove this point, after point two values are there, so you can put here 100 divided by 0.5. And when you remove this point, after point single value is there, so you will write 10. Okay, this is the first step. Next step, what you will do? 485 upon 100. Change this divide sign into multiplication and reciprocal this value. Already I have explained this. 10 upon 5. 0 to 0 cut. Okay. Now divide this. 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45 and 5 sevens are 35. So what you are getting? 97 upon 10. Okay. So 97 upon 10 means 9.7 because 1 0 is there. So from right hand side you will count one value and mark one point. Here I have done cutting. Cutting means division. I have divided 485 by 5. 5 8s are 5 9s are 45. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. Remainder is 3. Then 5. 5 7s are 35. Here I have done division. Okay. Same way 1.05. So I will write 1.05 this decimal number into fraction. Okay. Now divide 2.1. So 2.1 will become 21 upon 10. Again same process. Reciprocal. 105 upon 100 multiply by 10 upon 21. Okay. So 21 5s are 105 and 0 to 0 cut. So what is remaining here? 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 you can write 0.5. This is your answer.